At Early Morning Farm, Delicata squash is the first winter squash we harvest.
It's pale yellow with green stripes and it has very sweet orange flesh. It's best enjoyed right after harvest. And today we're going to show you how to roast, stew, and stuff Delicata squash.
Let's start with the basics. Roasted Delicata squash.
Preheat the oven to 400. Toss the squash in a bowl with olive oil, salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Spread the squash on a baking sheet lined with parchment. Bake for 30 minutes until the squash is soft and starting to turn golden brown.
Another great way to prepare a Delicata squash is chopped into bite-sized pieces for a stew. Its sweet flavor is a great complement to tomato-based dishes like this Moroccan vegetable stew.
Third way to prep squash is to stuff it. You can go ahead and cut them in half like you see here, scoop out the seeds, and then go ahead and drizzle with olive oil and sprinkle some salt, and then flip the squash face down. We're gonna bake them for 20 minutes so that they start to collapse just a little bit but still stay sturdy, and then we'll come back and stuff them.
Today our stuffing is cooked farro tossed with lacinato kale, dried cranberries, and feta cheese.
Massage the kale with olive oil and lemon juice. Then add the kale to the farro and add the berries and cheese and mix together. Roasted, stewed, and stuffed. Here's 3 awesome, simple ways to make squash at home.
I can't wait to dig into these. And if you have a favorite way that you like to prepare a Delicata squash, we'd love to hear from you in the comments. And don't forget, if you want to get all the best vegetable tips and recipes, just click that green subscribe button.